All right, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. I teased it a little bit, but I wanted to do the solution to one of these questions, and it was arguably my worst coordinate, so I'm happy to do this so it doesn't confuse you all and make you nervous. So here we've got two equations. I'm pulling my calculator too, by the way. And we can see right now that this one's a y equals something, and this one's a y equals something, which means we can take both of these sides, and set them equal. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the set them equal method, which is 3/5 x plus 112 is equal to negative 1/3 x. So now what we can do is move the x's all to one side, and you might not be as comfortable with fractions, but we're going to do it. So we're going to take away 3/5 of an x. Just think of it, if it helps you, as pizzas. 3 slices out of a pizza that's been sliced into 5 slices. Negative 3/5 x. And so these ones cancel out, and we're left with 112 is equal to 1/3 minus 3/5. Okay, guess what? Oh, there you go. Now you know my phone password. I'm going to figure out what 1/3 is, and I'm going to add 3/5. And that's our answer. Look at that, 14/15 even. So this is going to be negative 0.933 x's. Then to solve for our x, we'll divide by negative 0.933, divide by negative 0.933, and then we eventually get x equals 112 divided by 0.93, a bunch of threes, look at that. Okay, 120. And it's negative, so it's negative 120 is equal to x. And this actually goes, this negative 120 goes right here, right? Because this is our x coordinate, that's our y coordinate. So now we're going to take this negative 120 and then plug it in somewhere. I'm going to plug it into this equation. So we get y equals negative 1/3 times 120. And then 120 divided by 3 is 40, so then this is negative 40. So then our y is negative 40. And I think actually one of my answers should be positive, but let's see. So negative 120 comma 40. So you can actually tell right here, these are all negatives and these are positives. So I did mess something up, but I made this up and I know the answers. Negative 120 is right here and it should be positive 40. So if we draw our line up from this negative 120 and we hit this 40, we actually land right on the border of California and Nevada. And I meant for this to be California. So I'm going to put my dot right there. And our answer to the first one is California. So then what I expect you to do on this one is, of course, write that this is California. 2 professional sports teams in California. We've got the San Francisco 49ers. And, did you know the LA Galaxy is the soccer team? Very cool team. And then after you get the treasure, what's something you'd like to do in this state? Well, I would like to climb, what's the tallest? I'd like to go mountain climbing. I'm trying to remember. Sunshine Peak, is that what it's called? There's the California, I think, has a 15,000-foot mountain, and I like climbing tall mountains. I don't like rock climbing, but I like tall mountains. Anyways, so that's what I would do. And that's what I expect. This work is what I expect you to do today. At the end of the day, as a class, you'll tell whoever's watching the class the 4 states, and you're welcome. I just gave you one. All right. See you later. I'll be in on Friday too, so if anyone wants to go to office hours, email me.